Hey guys, it's good to be back with you again. If your job is a job that we've gotten permits for, you'll probably have realized by now that the inspection process is a bit of a roller coaster in and of itself. Every inspector has a different angle in the way they do their inspections. Sometimes they're very easygoing and sometimes they are by the letter of the law, to the T. And it can be quite frustrating dealing with inspectors. We have a building inspector, an electrical inspector, a plumbing inspector. We have an engineer that's kind of sprinkled in there that needs to be involved as well in the inspection process. And we know a lot of the inspectors, but sometimes they'll come in and point at something that we thought was not an issue and it becomes an issue. So what I want you to understand is that, one, if we fail inspection, we're not going to be crazy surprised. It's fairly normal in our industry to have a fail and a small repair that we have to do. Two, it will affect the schedule because an inspector will book his time between a 4 or 5 hour window and he won't give us a specific or a cell phone number. So we just have to wait around. Then if you find something that he wants to see changed, we have to then schedule that work to happen. So right there you've got maybe 2 days of time tied up that hasn't been accounted for in the beginning. Then we have to call for a re-inspection another day. Hopefully after that, we're back on schedule again. But the reason for me coming to you is just to say, hey, if we fail, don't freak out. It's fairly normal. It's their job to kind of pinpoint little things and sometimes make our life tough. We're used to it. We'll get through it. There will be a little bit of delay, but don't worry about it, okay? It's gonna be all right. So guys, I hope that was helpful. And just remember that we're on a journey. We got the same goal and we're in this together.